how to get back on track when you've fallen off track. The reason why I'm saying this, it's very much important to know what is the reason a person is falling back. What is the reason that they are getting off track. So the three things coming to my mind, the framework. The first is acknowledge that yes, you couldn't do the thing which you should be doing. Second, very importantly, find the root cause of it. Find what is the root cause, what actually didn't went well, and what you could do better. And third, on it, just find the root cause and do not delay. Just do whatever you can do to make you there. So these three framework, if you use in your life, definitely you're all off track. You can back to your track and you can really riding high in your career. Just giving one of my example, when I was back in my days when I was struggling, I just have accepted one of the offer which was service desk coordinator. Well, that was not my aspiration, that was not my vision at all, but that time I didn't have any other option because to just run my life day in day out. Finally, I found myself really a little distressed about it because that's what not my aspiration, vision, and not my dream job as well. But that also given me some of the experience, and from there I started working on the root cause, and then I find out what are the findings to make me to the next level, and to take me to that particular pinnacle of the success. I did whatever I could do, and I went ahead in scale by scale into my career. So that was the first step which I have taken, to acknowledge and then to find out what is the root cause of it, and then I was on it, upscaling it so that I really can achieve what is in my vision. There's a very important statement, right? That success without path is a failure. And it really fits here, because if you're getting a success without your vision, is actually not your path. So better understand that on time and be you on track as soon as possible. Thank you, everyone.